If you're into health and nutrition, you've probably heard about MCT oil. But did you know there's a difference between regular MCT oil and MCT oil C8? Today, we'll compare the two, share the latest research, and share what doctors say to help you choose. Regular MCT oil is a blend of several medium-chain triglycerides, mainly C8, caprylic acid, C10, capric acid, and sometimes C6, caproic acid, and C12, lauric acid. These are fats with carbon chain lengths between 6 and 12. What is MCT oil C8? MCT oil C8 contains only caprylic acid, the 8-carbon fatty acid. It's the fastest to convert into ketones and energy because of its shorter chain length compared to C10 or C12. Now let's break down the differences and benefits between regular MCT oil and pure MCT C8, according to science. First, ketone production. Regular MCT oil offers moderate ketone levels, but MCT oil C8, made purely from caprylic acid, is metabolized much faster, leading to higher and quicker ketone production. That's a big win for those on a keto diet or looking for mental clarity. Next up, energy boost. Both versions are great sources of clean fuel, but C8 is more efficient, delivering a quicker and more noticeable energy lift, especially before workouts or during fasting. When it comes to digestion, some people report mild upset or bloating from mixed MCT oil, especially if taken on an empty stomach. Pure C8, on the other hand, tends to be easier to digest and gentler on the gut. Did you know MCTs have natural antimicrobial powers? Mixed MCT oil offers some protection, but C8 has been shown in studies to have stronger antifungal and antibacterial properties, making it even better for gut health. And finally, price. Mixed MCT oil is more affordable and a good starting point. MCT oil C8 is more expensive, but you're getting higher purity, faster action, and better tolerance. Now let's take a look at what science says about the difference between regular MCT oil and pure C8 oil. Research comparing MCT oil types shows some interesting findings. Cox et al., Journal of Nutrition, found that pure C8 oil produces ketones faster and in higher amounts than blended MCT oil. Trevisol et al., 2020, Nutrients, showed that C8 is better tolerated, with fewer reports of digestive discomfort. Meyer et al., 2017, Journal of Functional Foods, highlighted the strong antimicrobial effects of caprylic acid, C8, particularly against harmful gut bacteria. Saint-Onge et al., 2008, American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, demonstrated that mixed MCT oil still helps with fat oxidation and increased metabolism, especially in overweight adults. What doctors recommend? For most people, regular MCT oil provides good benefits at a lower cost, making it a great starting point. However, if you're looking for faster ketone production or have a sensitive digestive system, pure C8 oil may be a better choice. Always start with small doses to assess your tolerance and consult your healthcare provider before adding any new supplement to your routine. But if you're wondering which one to choose, here's a quick guide. Want to boost ketones quickly? Choose pure C8 oil. Looking to support energy and fat loss on a budget? Go with mixed MCT oil. Need something gentle on digestion? C8 is usually easier on the stomach. You can mix it into coffee, smoothies, or salad dressings. Just remember, avoid high heat when cooking with MCTs to preserve their benefits. Whether you go with regular MCT oil or pure C8, Both have science-backed benefits, from energy support to brain function and beyond. As always, talk to your healthcare provider to find out what works best for your unique health goals.